Welcome back to your channel Stock Dr. RR. Today we are going to do a technical analysis of Nasdaq, Dow Jones, S&P 500, precious commodities, gold and silver. Before we go ahead and start our analysis, in case you have not subscribed to this channel, please go ahead, subscribe to this channel, hit this bell icon. You will get the notification of all future videos and shorts in timely manner. Today I have published a short of MicroStrategy stock MSTR. It is showing good for the positional setup. You can go ahead and see this chart, see this short video. Let's go ahead and see the economic calendar. You can see now in this week we have only two data points coming. On October 17 retail sales, and October 18 you are getting data of building permits. So now let's go ahead and see the trading view. We are going to analyze the Nasdaq 100 first. You can see here for this Nasdaq 100 we are waiting for a breakout. I guess 20,500 right now. The future market is trading, currently it is trading at 20,400. Once it successfully cross 20,500, then you are going to see 20,600, 700 and 800. These are the three targets. Downside we will talk if it breaks and sustain below 20,350, then you will see the target of 20,250 and 20,150. I am interested and I am looking for this breakout. Once this breakout, then I think market will rally. This was about Nasdaq 100. Then we'll talk about Dow Jones. Dow Jones, you can see here on 4-year time frame, you can see here Dow Jones is trading very nicely. If you see the monthly chart, it is at all-time high, weekly high, and daily also high. And daily has given a breakout. If you see the 4-hourly chart, I can see here 42,900 is acting as a support here. So as it is above 42,900, I think it will go and show the target of 43,250 and 43,500. The good buying level is here near 42,900. Right now it is in a middle. It is about to complete its target. So there is no point adding here right now. But if by any chance it comes down towards 42,900, then definitely we can look for 43,250 and 43,500. Downside, if we talk, if it starts trading and sustaining below 42,675, then and only then we will look for the target of 42,520 and 42,300. These are the two downside levels for Dow Jones. Let's talk about S&P 500. S&P 500 same pattern, all-time high on a monthly chart, weekly chart, daily chart, and in the 4-hourly chart, if you see here, it has clearly given a breakout above 5820. Now it is in the middle. It is about to complete its target of 5900. Downside, if we talk, then downside is below 5775. If it breaks and sustain below 5775, then we will talk about downside target of 5725 and 5690. Then we will talk about the next index, Russell 2000. Russell 2000, very good pattern, very good chart. You can see here, this is monthly. Last month it was, you can see here, last month it was trading in a doji pattern, that means indecisive. This month there are 17 days still pending, and right now it is kind of in a green candle. Here also you can see last week it closed in a hammer pattern, and day chart you can see here right now it is trying to be in a green, and the levels are here. If it sustain above 2250, right now it is trading at 2250, but in the opening of the US market, when it opens in the morning, You will see if it's sustainable 2250, then there are three targets: 2270, 2285, and 2300. These are the three short-term targets. If we talk about the downside, then if it stays below 2225, then the targets are 2190, 2170, and 2160. These are the three downside targets for Russell 2000. So this was all about the index. Now we are going to talk about the commodities. Before we talk about commodities, remember next week there are so many companies reporting. So maybe it might be possible that all the indexes trade in a narrow range, but the individual stocks who are showing their earning, they might give a good upside or downside based on their earnings result. So let's talk about the commodities. Commodities, gold. If you remember, from last 6 months, you might have seen my old videos. When it was at 2000, I was continuously talking about 2500. Now gold reached its peak, 2700. It is the right time to book some profit and hold the rest. But still, if we talk about the levels, then for the gold, the levels are as here. Now, gold is waiting for a breakout above 2700. If it break and sustain above 2700, then we will talk about the little targets of 2725, 2750, and 2775. Downside will come only if it starts trading and sustaining below 2620. If it's trade and sustain below 2620, then the targets are 2585, 2560, 2535. These are the three downside targets. Now we'll talk about the last commodity, that is silver. Silver, still big upside is pending. If you see here, for the silver right now, silver is trading at 31.70. It is kind of the level where it can give a upside from here. If tomorrow it opens and manage to trade above 31.70, then the first target is 32.50, second is 33, and third is 33.5. Now, if we talk about the downside, if we trade and sustain below $31, then downside targets are 30.50, $30, and 29.50. These are the three downside target for the silver. If we compare gold and silver, I think there is still big upside pending for silver as compared to gold. So silver might give more good opportunity to get good gains. So this was all about the commodities and the indices. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel. And also, if you want me to analyze any specific video or any specific stock or commodity or index, please do comment and let me know. Till that, keep learning, keep earning. Thank you. Bye bye.